A very good morning to all of you. Today I'll discuss about the role of bioinformatics in drug discovery. We all know that bioinformatics has a very important role in terms of research, in terms of the day-to-day activities related to medicines development. And we see that bioinformatics, which started around 3 decades back, uh, it basically related to the development of the Human Genome Project, and now this bioinformatics has a very important role in terms of drug discovery. Whenever we see the concept of drug discovery, we need to see the first thing is that what is the disease involved. That means the first we need to identify the disease. The second is we need to find a protein that is causing the disease. When the protein is found which is causing the disease, that protein can be found out in the biological database of under the arena of bioinformatics, because we have different databases, that is NCBI and then DDBJ, then EMBL. They have different databases regarding DNA and even proteins, structure of protein as well as the 3D structures. So whenever we want to target a disease, we need to destabilize the protein that is causing the disease. For that case, we basically see in the literature various plants which are being used, and research is going on that whether the plants, regarding the plants utility, how the plants are effective in terms of the chemical constituents, and we also need to see the medicinal use in terms of ethnic use, and then we'll go for uh, analysis of the chemical constituents. Whenever the chemical constituents are found a bit effective, are found a bit compatible with the protein, that is basically done through the process of bioinformatics, where we can see the ligand and the protein binding. The ligand is the plant constituents, that is the chemical constituents of the plant, which will be targeting the protein. So the main concept is a ligand protein binding. This ligand protein binding, the structures we can get it from the bioinformatics database, from the protein software, protein database, their 3D structures, and through bioinformatics software we can see the ligand protein binding. Whenever the ligand protein binding is good and very compatible, we can see that the ligand will destabilize the protein that is responsible for causing the disease. So whenever we go for drug discovery process, the first and foremost thing that we need to know is that the ligand protein binding should be good. Whenever the ligand protein binding is good, we can see the disease can be eliminated, eradicated. And in order to see the factors to improve the or to improve and how the reaction is going on, we can also go for molecular dynamics simulations, the advanced form of this drug discovery process. And interestingly, for targeting the COVID-19 virus, since the spike protein in it is responsible for attaching or adhering to any human body, that spike protein is being targeted by all the bioinformatics companies to destabilize the spike protein, and efforts are going on using various hypertensive, anti-cholesterol, anti-fever, and other disease and other medicines that are available, and they have found out very good results in terms of these medicines being used. Some have found very good results with the anti-cholesterol and anti-hypertensive drugs, and we do feel that in the times to come, this bioinformatics, the softwares, and this field of drug discovery will be much beneficial in terms of drug discovery. Thank you.